Inilunsad ng Malacanang isang online commemoration kaugnay sa anibersaryo ng pagpanaw ni dating Senador Ninoy Aquino. Ito'y upang sariwain ng publiko ang mga alaala ng dating senador. Kabilang sa mga nakalagay sa website ang mga larawan ni Ninoy at panayam sa ilang miyembro ng pamilya at mga kaibigan ng dating senador. Ang detalye sa ulat ni Elena Luna, live mula sa Malacanang. Elena, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Maraming salamat, Kirby. Dahil masama ang pakiramdam ni Pangulong Aquino, kanselado ang lahat ng kanyang appointment ngayong araw. Hindi natuloy ang Pangulo papuntang Cervantes, Ilocos Sur. At bukod dito ay hindi na rin matutuloy ang alas 2 na hapon na meeting niya. Dapat sana kasama si Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa Jr. Sinabi ni Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Bate na nagkaroon ng allergy attack ang Pangulo. Ito raw ay allergy sa bulaklak. Kanina sa press brief, Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda ay ipinaliwanag niya ang kalagayan ngayon ni Pangulong Aquino.
The president was sick because of coughing. We would just like to clarify that his allergy acted up since Tuesday when he attended the PNP anniversary. And so during the course of these few days, his allergy has been quite active. So yesterday we had a meeting, the Tuesday after the PNP anniversary, his allergy was really bad. And so yesterday it was also bad. In fact, we had to cancel a scheduled interview with GMA 7 at the August 21 anniversary because his voice was a bit not well, hoarse. So, just to clarify, it's not because of coughing, it's because of the allergy.
Weng de la Fuente has a follow-up question, Secretary.
So, sir, how's the President now?
I think he's resting right now. Para lang haba kasi ng meeting namin umaga, tapos ng hapon ng meeting pa siya. So, magpapahinga siya ngayon.
Pero, sir, no need to see a doctor or
no naman.
was he issued some medications po?
Yung allergy niya, yung allergy, may allergy medication siya. So,
sa ibang balita dito sa Malacanang, Kirby, ay naka-upload na sa website ng Malacanang ang 3 minutong video tungkol sa pagbabalik sa Pilipinas ng ama ni Pangulong Aquino na si dating Senador Ninoy Aquino. Itong video na ito ay bilang bahagi ng Ninoy Aquino Day sa darating na Miyerkules. Ang Presidential Museum and Library ang online commemoration ng ika-30 anibersaryo ng kamatayan ng ama ng Pangulo na si dating Senador Ninoy Aquino. Tampok dito ang interactive page na binabalikan ng mga nangyari bago umuwi si Ninoy sa Pilipinas noong August 21, 1983.
I am returning to the Philippines because my country is now in crisis. We are in terrible economic crisis and maybe soon we'll be having a political crisis. I have been away for 3 years in exile, and the time has come, I think, for me to return so that I can help reorganization in my country. And if Mr. Marcos calls an election in 1984, the opposition will be ready to meet the challenge.
Nilapatan ito ng music. At infographic maps. Ipinapakita dito ang mga huling sandali ni Ninoy palabas ng sinakyang eroplano at ang dapat sana'y sasabihin niya sa pag-uwi sa bansa.
we'll also be featuring a remarkable collection of interviews of Ninoy's family and close associates gathered by Ms. Cynthia Sisep and published in 1984. We will also publish online for the first time the majority and minority reports of the Agrava Commission on the Official Gazette.
Hinihikayat ng palasyo ang lahat na makiisa sa kampanyang ito gamit ang social media.
We call on Filipinos to participate in this campaign, which will source and publish short statements from those who have lived through that watershed event in our history. Be a torchbearer of memories by contributing your reflections on two things. When he was killed, how did his death affect him?
Maaaring makiisa ang publiko sa pamamagitan ng Twitter at Facebook. Maaari ding magpadala ng email sa heritage@pcdspo.gov.ph. Ang Ninoy Aquino Day tuwing August 21, Kirby, ay deklaradong Special Non-Working Day. Ito ay sa bisa ng Proclamation number 459 ni Pangulong Aquino. At yan ang ating balita mula dito sa Malacanang. Sa tulong ng RTVM, ako si Elena Luna para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Elena Luna.